These days, it's very casual and easy for people to say, I'll be there for you. I will be there for you. For you as well. For you as well. For you as well. You know what? For your father as well, in case if he needs me someday, I'll be there for him. Did you know that the sentence I'll be there for you is the third most used sentence in the world? After I am sorry and please reply. You know, it's weird that people tell you that they will be there for you, but when you call them, they don't pick up. How do I know? Because I am those people. That's how I know. But now I'm not one of them. Now I'm not one of them. You know, to be honest, you can be there always for a few people, but you cannot always be there for everyone. You know, it's the job of the opposition party to pretend that they care for everyone, not yours. You are just an below average human being. So don't do that. Now, it's very easy to identify those people. It's very easy. Just say the most disgusting, random, bullshit, weird, or something which might scare them away, and wait for their reaction. Just do that. Hey, what's up? Nothing. What's wrong? You know I'll always be there for you, right? Always. सच्ची? नहीं, मैं नहीं मानता. मतलब अब मुझे अपने ही आंसुओं का घूंट नहीं पीना पड़ेगा? हाँ. और मुझे बार बार अब सोशल मीडिया पे सैड चीजें पोस्ट करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है ना. हर बार जब मैं नाराज हूं अपनी व्हाट्सएप डीपी हटाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी ना. हाँ भाई, हाँ बिल्कुल. और मुझे डेस्परेट होके स्ट्रेंजर्स ऑन सोशल मीडिया से अपनी प्रॉब्लम शेयर करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. आई ओके. अब तो थोड़ी ओवर एक्टिंग कर रहा है, ज्यादा हो रहा है अब. हाँ, थोड़ी सी. I like to think of myself as the greatest friend in the world. I am a great friend. I'm a really great friend. How do I know? I have been friend zoned for 16 times. So yeah, that's where I know it from. Besides, it's always good to be friends with people of low self-esteem. You know, you can say them anything and they don't care. The reason being that they're already dead inside. He's lying. He is totally lying. He is a very, very good liar. Not a friend, liar. That's what he is. You know, people always say that they will be there for me and then they walk over me as if I'm a footpath. I think I need to test him. So, yeah, come on, chal, bata. What's bothering you? Actually, there's a lot of things which bother me, so I really don't know where to start with. Should I tell you about the time I stole money from my father's purse, or should I tell you about my breakup? Oh, wait, I have a recent one. I think I am a sex addict. Yes, it's funny how I find it funny, but yes, I think I am a sex addict and I might need help. Because now I'm looking at you and all I can think of is with you. Kya? My father. I know your father's dead. Yes, I know he was dead, but he just woke up from his graveyard and now he's calling me back. I have to go, please. But we're not Christians. We don't bury people, we burn them. I need to go. But you said you'll always be there for me. You said that. You know what? You have my number, right? तो कॉल कर मेरे को. तू फोन कर मुझे. फोन पे बात करेंगे अपन. अभी मुझे. I knew he was lying. I knew he would totally disappoint me. I knew it. You know, my father always tells me that in every relationship, you should always give more and take less. And that is what always happens with me. I give more love to people and I receive less love. I give more importance to people and I receive less importance. I give more respect to people and I receive less respect. It hurts me a lot, but I am an obedient son and I like to obey my father. So that's. You see, I didn't leave him alone. Okay, I did leave him alone because I just want him to face all his problems alone, so that he can be a strong, independent person by himself. Because that's what a great friend does. A friend in a need is a friend indeed. But a friend who leaves a friend in need is a greater friend indeed. Because he wants him to be an independent person. So yeah, I am a great selfless friend indeed. It's hard to understand, but I am. Besides, one thing which everyone needs to understand is that just because I give you my number, it does not mean that you can call me. It's more like offering your food to someone. You offer it because of your manners, not because you want to. But then you also expect the person not to take the food to show some manners. So yeah, that's it. Yeah. So the bottom line is, कुछ भी ऐसा बोल दो जिससे सामने वाले की सुन के फट जाए. उसके बाद दो ही पॉसिबिलिटीज हो सकती हैं. फर्स्ट, मोस्टली पीपल विल वॉक अवे. That's good because it's better to be alone than to be with people and be alone as well. Possibility number 2 is that the person decides to stay. Very rare, but might happen with you. And if they do, congratulations. You have just found a real, genuine friend. Because even after knowing that you are either having some serious troubles or you are totally crazy or both at the same time, the person still decides to stay. Trust me, he's not going to leave you alone throughout your life. Congratulations, you just learned how to find a genuine friend. And there's absolutely no need to thank me. There's absolutely no need. Fine. If you really want to do something, in return, please share this video if you liked even a single joke of it. Thank you.